This is what medium density fiberboard looks like inside of a garbage disposal. I'm not sure how this one's going to work out, but I'm going to stick a piece of 2x4 in there. Big piece. Almost worked. Oh, it locked it up. This is what you shouldn't put in your disposal, just so you know. I found a creepy looking mushroom. Ew. Let's see what that does. Turn that pipe away from me. Yummy. How about we make a snow cone? I think I broke it. Snow cone time. Doesn't that just look yummy? That's a chocolate snow cone right there, buddy. And one last thing. If you're worried about busting or it like eating you when you stick your hand in it while it's running, the worst thing it can do is this. Just so you know.